Hello, and thank you for your interest in Click2Mail's MailJack Plus Directory Monitor. Today I'm going to show you how to create an address capture template. An address capture template is perfect if your PDF has one or more documents with mailing addresses already merged onto it. Once you create that template, you can drop PDFs into a directory, and Directory Monitor will send them to Click2Mail so we can turn them into real postal mail. The MailJack template you can create can be saved and reused for future mailings. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a template for an invoice that I mocked up with some mailing addresses already merged onto it. I'll begin in the Directory Monitor application. I'm going to click Menu and then Create Template. I'll confirm the username associated with the account I'm using for this template. And for this example, I'm Carly J. Brown MailJack. I'll select the type of template I want to use. And for this example, I'm using the address capture template. Then I'll click OK. The MailJack Plus UI will open in a browser. On the left, you'll see a list of any existing templates you might have, and to the right of that, you can click Create Template. Now we're going to start by giving the template a meaningful name, and that's really helpful if you're going to reuse it or manage multiple templates in the future. So then we're going to set the print and mail properties that we're going to associate with this new template. We will first indicate the type of document that we're mailing. And for this example, I'm using a letter, 8.5 by 11. We have to select a layout, and for this example, I'll use the separate address page. Envelope options are dependent on the type of document you're mailing. So what you see may differ from what's displayed here if you aren't sending a letter. But for this example, I'm going to select that number 10 double window envelope. Then I will select black and white. White 24-pound paper is fine. I will select printing one side. And finally, first class. The return address you see displayed here is fine for this mailing, but if you need to select one that is not the default in your account, you can click Select Address to choose a different one or even add a new one. Now I'm going to click Continue to the next step. I'm going to drag my PDF to MailJack Plus, and once that document is processed, I have to take care of the first page constant and the address block. If all your documents have the same number of pages, click Set Number of Pages in Document, and then enter the number of pages that are in your document. Once that's done, you can click Address Block and move the highlight so it covers the mail recipient address that was merged into your document. You'll see the address displayed in the window right here above your document. If your documents have a variable page count, you won't have a set number of pages, so you'll have to set a first page constant. Do this by clicking First Page Constant and then moving the highlight over text that's unique to the first page of your document. If necessary, resize the box so that only the unique text is displayed in the first page constant window above your document. When you're finished, click Process PDF. MailJack Plus will parse the address from your document. You can just save and exit here if you really want to, but I do recommend that you view the parsed address to confirm it's complete. Incomplete addresses will be classified as unmailable or non-standard. After confirming your parsed address is complete, click Save and Exit. Return to Directory Monitor to associate the template with the directory where you intend to place PDFs for mailing. To do this, click Add New Monitor. Indicate the type of template you're using and click OK. For this example, we created an address capture template. Confirm the Click2Mail account associated with the template. For this example, we used Carly J. Brown MailJack. Choose the directory you want to monitor for mailings. From the list of templates, select the name of the template you're associating with the new monitor. We're going to associate the template that we just created. The new monitor will be displayed in the Directory Monitor UI. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support group at 866-665-2787 or support@click2mail.com. We look forward to mailing for you.